Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power, unplug the compressor or flip the breaker, then put on gloves for grip and safety. Once done, use your flashlight to find the relay cover on the motor housing. This is often on the side or top. Make sure to photograph or label wires so reassembly is simple, and keep screws in a small tray. Now grab a suitable screwdriver or small socket. Steady pressure and the right tool prevent stripped heads, so begin removing screws immediately. Once screws are loosened, use alternating turns to ease tension and avoid warping the cover. Then carefully pry at a corner if needed, watching for spring clips or foam seals that can pop free. You should lift the cover slowly. If it resists, check for hidden fasteners. Never yank. Make sure to observe the relay and contacts as you expose them, because seeing corrosion or a burned terminal now explains past failures and guides whether cleaning or replacement is next. You finish by aligning the cover and any seals, then tighten screws evenly to avoid gaps. Once reassembled, restore power and observe startup. If the unit fails to start, make sure wire labels match original photos, red-item terminals, and test the relay coil and contacts with a multimeter. If contacts show pitting or burning, clean with contact cleaner and retest. However, replace the relay if heating or intermittent contact continues. This single troubleshooting step often resolves recurring failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.